Paano if 60 years old na but less than 15 years sa GSIS payments or contributions? Pwede na ba sa GSIS pension benefits or GSIS pensioner na ba si sir or ma'am? Answer, based po sa guidelines ni GSIS Friends, may nabasa tayo. Ang basic requirements po or qualifications para nito ay kailangan po 60 years old po tayo. At the same time, meron tayong 15 years na government service or simply said, 15 years na payment sa GSIS. Right? For example, sa Republic Act 8291, may nakalagay doon, must have rendered at least 15 years of government service and must be at least 60 years old upon retirement. Opo, friends, yan po yung qualification sa RA 8291. Another example, PD or Presidential Decree 1146. Ito din ang requirements nila or qualification. Must have rendered at least 15 years of government service and must be at least 60 years old upon retirement. So, ibig sabihin, friends, hindi pwede na 60 years old ka but less than 15 years sa government service or less than 15 years ang remittance mo sa GSIS, ay pwede ka na mag-qualify sa GSIS pension po. Hindi po pwede yan. Dapat po sabay. 60 years old ka and at the same time, meron kang 15 years na government service or 15 years na remittance sa GSIS or PPP. Right? So very clear po yung sagot natin. Hope na naintindihan po natin kasi may question po tayo sa channel po na ito na question. I'm happy and honored to give clarification po sa answer na ito. So based po tayo sa guidelines or website ni GSIS. Alright? Keep watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.